And it came to pass after this that the king of the children of Ammon died, and Hanun his son reigned in his stead. Then said David, I will show kindness to Hanun the son of Nahash, as his father showed kindness to me. And David sent to comfort him by the hand of his servant for his father. And David's servant came into the land of children of Ammon. And the princes of the children of Ammon said to Hanun, their leader, think you that David does honor your father, that he has sent comforters to you? Has not David rather sent his servant to you to search the city and to spy it out and to overthrow it? So Hanun took David's servant and shaved off the one half of their beard and cut off their garment in the middle, even to their buttocks, and sent them away. When they told it to David, he sent to meet them because the men were greatly ashamed. And the king said, tarry at Jericho until your beards be grown, and then return. And when the children of Ammon saw that they stank before David, the children of Ammon sent and hired the Syrians of Beth Rehob and the Syrian of Zobah, 20,000 footmen, and of King Maacah, 1,000 men, and of Ishtob 12,000 men. And when David heard of it, he sent Joab and all the hosts of the mighty men. And the children of Ammon came out and put a battle in array at the entering in of the gate, and the Syrian of Zobah, of Rehob, and Ishtob, and Maacah were by themselves in the field. When Joab saw that the front of the battle was against him before and behind the choice of all the choice men of Israel, and put them in array against the Syrian. And the rest of the people he delivered into the hands of Abishai his brother, that he might put them in array against the children of Ammon. And he said, if the Syrian be too strong for me, then you should help me. But if the children of Ammon be too stronger for you, then I will come and help you. Be of good courage, and let us play the men for our people and for the city of our God. And Jehovah does that which seems him good. And Joab drew nigh, and the people that were with him, to the battle against the Syrian, and they fled before him. And when the children of Ammon saw that the Syrians were fled, then fled they also before Abishai, and entered into the city. So Joab returned from the children of Ammon and came to Jerusalem. And when the Syrians saw that they was smitten before Israel, they gathered themselves together. And Hadadezer sent and brought out the Syrians that were beyond the river, and they came to Helam. And Sobak, the captain of the host of Hadadezer, went before them. And when it was told David, he gathered all Israel together and passed over Jordan and came to Helam. And the Syrians set themselves in array against David and fought with him. And the Syrians fled before Israel, and David slew the men of 700 chariots of the Syrian, and 40,000 horsemen, and smote Shobek, the captain of their host, who died there. And when all the kings that were servants to Hadarezer saw that they were smitten before Israel, they made peace with Israel and served them. So the Syrians feared to help the children of Ammon any more.